Hello, my name is Hany Ali. I'm the executive chef at Europa Village Winery and Resort. Today we are making a classic dish from Napoli, spaghetti aglio e olio. Aglio e olio means garlic and olive oil. We are going to start first with garlic, and we wanted to slice him as thin as possible. We got the garlic ready here. We're gonna start the spaghetti, and we wanted to make sure the water is boiling. We have good amount of salt, and we are going to have the pasta in there. Chopped Italian parsley that I picked from the garden this morning. Chop all the parsley to a fine chop. We're adding lemon to this pasta, and you want it to roll the lemon on the table to make sure to get most juice out of it. Now we are going to get the chili flakes. Take the stems off. Be really gentle the first couple slices. Check on the pasta one more time. We want to use a good spaghetti. It turns the dish when you have a good quality pasta. Wanted to start the process on the olive oil, and what we're going to use, we use the Europa table olive oil. 100% extra virgin olive oil. It's a classic dish, and you wanted to make sure to use good quality olive oil, and I use this even at home. And then we wanted to start when the olive oil is cold to make sure it doesn't burn our garlic. We threw the chopped garlic in there, turn the stove on, and we let that kind of infuse the flavor with the olive oil and the garlic. I cannot tell you what the smell that I'm experiencing now is out of this world. Now when the garlic starts getting little light on color, what you want to do is you want it to deglaze that flavor with the lemon juice over the flame. We are going to add the parsley, and immediately what we're going to do is we are going to take the pasta and add it to that. If you want to have the pasta more creamy or saucy more, you take some of that water that you cook the pasta in to have the pasta dished in the bowl. We're going to use a carving fork. Gather as much as you can on it. Pour it in the bowl and slide it down. And we say this one is classic spaghetti aglio e olio. Now we are going to turn this to our own, and I am going to add a little bit of arugula, a little bit of olive oil, the vino rosso, which is the red wine vinegar. You can use those ingredients in making a salad dressings, and you get that in the Europa table box all the time. And I am sure you love lots of cheese, just like I do. So don't be shy to go all over the place. And that's our spaghetti aglio e olio. Thanks again for going on a culinary adventure to Napoli, Italy, here at Europa Village. We hope you enjoy your Europa table box with family and friends, and we hope to see you soon. Cheers.